How's it going, guys? ThunderBuddy01 here. Do you want to provide extra support to the ThunderBuddy01 Media Network? Do you have extra cash lying around? Become an official ThunderBuddy superfan today. For just $2.99 a month, you will get access to members-only perks, such as shoutouts, exclusive badges and emojis, priority replies to your comments, and when ThunderBuddy01 himself feels like it, early access to new videos. Do not delay, join now. You can use the link in the top of the description, or the blue join button. And as always, strike them likes, flood that subscribe button, and twist that notification bell.
Attention all units. We have a code 6 party failing to stop for police. Supervisor requesting units on non-priority calls. Switch over to tab 2 and monitor the chase.
Tonight through Tuesday morning. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where? Portions of northwestern Connecticut and east central New York, including the following areas: in northwestern Connecticut, northern Litchfield and southern Litchfield. In east central New York, eastern Columbia, eastern Dutchess, eastern Green, eastern Ulster, western Columbia, western Dutchess, western Green, and western Ulster. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone properties. Additional details: handwritten and scattered thunderstorms are expected after midnight and will continue through Tuesday morning. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible, with very local amounts of 4 inches or more. Rainfall rates could exceed 1 inch per hour at times. http://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood you should monitor later. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? Northern Connecticut. When? From 2 a.m. Tuesday through noon Tuesday. Impacts, showers, and a few embedded thunderstorms with heavy rain are expected toward daybreak Tuesday into Tuesday morning. A quick 1 to 2 inches of rain with localized 3-inch amounts are possible in a 2 to 4 hour period. This may impact the Tuesday morning commute and result in street flooding, especially in the urban centers. Additional details, http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Here are the 3 p.m. observations. Flood watch in effect from 8 p.m. this evening through late tonight. Rainfall is possible. Where? Portions of northern Delaware, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania, including the following areas: northern Delaware, Newcastle, in New Jersey, Camden, Coastal Ocean, eastern Monmouth, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Morris, northwestern Burlington, Ocean, Salem, Somerset, southeastern Burlington, Sussex, Warren, and western Monmouth. In Pennsylvania, Burke, Carbon, Delaware, eastern Chester, eastern Montgomery, Lehigh, lower Bucks, Monroe, Northampton, Philadelphia, upper Bucks, western Chester, and western Montgomery. When? From 8 p.m. this evening through late tonight. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details. Very high atmospheric moisture content will overspread the region tonight. Rounds of showers and thunderstorms are expected with embedded heavy rainfall. Rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour are possible. Urban areas will be of particular concern for flash flooding. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. The National Weather Service in upstate New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York until 2:45 a.m. 2:03 a.m. At 2:03 a.m. A strong thunderstorm was located over Little Bay, moving northeast at 35 knots. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Radar indicated small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Execution Rocks, Texas Harbor, Merrimack Harbor, and Manhattan around 2:10 a.m. Clacton Harbor around 2:20 a.m. Stanford Harbor around 2:25 a.m. Long Point around 2:30 a.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the forecast for Southwest Connecticut. Southwestern Connecticut and southwestern New York until 5:15 a.m. Thunderstorms are heavily across the wall. 2 inches of rain has fallen. 2 inches of rain has fallen. Possible in the warm area. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flooding caused by thunderstorms. Radar. Source. Impact. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams. Highways, streets, and other roads, as well as other areas and low-lying encountering flood deaths occur in vehicles. Warning issued until 5:10 a.m. for the following areas: Suffolk, New York. Here is the forecast. 4:36 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of reducing water spouts was located